today I got a squishy package. So yeah, right now I am in my balcony. It's kind of cold, but not that cold, so yeah. So let's get started. So I'm gonna be using this to block my address. So yeah, this is a squishy package. I know it is open, but that's because I messed up. So what I meant is that my stupid mailman wants to be stuffing my package inside and it broke. Take some of my stuff. It's okay. So I'm gonna have the bag down low so that you guys won't see my address. Okay. I took that one quick eyes. I didn't see everything. I bought quite a lot of stuff, not as much. So the first thing I have is my Hello Kitty donut. With white drizzle. I think each Hello Kitty donut has a name for it. Oh, this is so soft. It's squishy. That's so rising. I think this is the I forgot the name. So yeah, this is the back, the front. It says Hello Kitty on it. So now let's go to the next one. Gonna have the packaging. Let's get dirty. I keep on almost looking. Okay, so next thing I pull out is my blue turtle. Oh, squish the leg. No, I'm gonna stop because it gives defects like that, and then I don't the cute little legs. Oh my god, they feel so great and sticky, and well, not that sticky, but it feels great. And I want to get some squishy with packaging and licensing. Look at that smiley face. He's super cute. This is the back. I wish I had the name in the back, like how the Hello Kitty donut. Anyway, I keep on almost looking. Dang it. I think I looked at that. I don't know. Whatever. Just gonna turn it around, switch it up. See what I got next. Oh yeah, my next Hello Kitty donut with sprinkles on it. Let's drink it up. Oh yeah, this is the. Do you guys see that? The paint is coming off. It's okay. It's not like it's a lot, so. Oh, the sprinkles! There's some sprinkles in the bag. It's already falling off. That's my grandma. So that's the sprinkles. But it's kind of coming off, but it's okay. We all know that the sprinkles are gonna come off. Squeeze down here. Yeah, but this is soft too. It's really defected in the back. Well, what's gonna get defected? Anyways, by me. But I don't want my squishies just to come in defects. But it's okay. I'm running out of space. So I only have one more thing, so I think, wait, and count 1, 2, 3. So yeah, I only have one more thing. Yes! This is my Jumbo Panda Bun. That's huge. If you've seen my other video, I got a duplicate of the Eye Bloom Peach. All my squishies are just rising. This is kind of sticky. I don't know. I don't care. This is super white. I got another panda bun. Wait, do I? Well, yeah, but I used it for a decoration. So those are all my squishies. Make sure you guys hit that like button and the subscribe button too. I really love my squishies so much. Bye bye. Sorry for the back noise. Make sure you guys click that like button, that subscribe button, and comment down below if you want me to be doing DIYs and other things that you guys want me to do. Bye.